up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's raining again. The rain never stops, it seems now. And it's also 39 degrees, so it's getting colder and colder. Tonight and tomorrow morning is actually our first freeze. And here in Oklahoma, we have like no transition in the weather, so it was 70 a couple days ago, and now instead of just a light freeze, it's going to be 23. Just going to get cold, and then they put snow in the forecast for next week, so you never know what it is. Have the goats up at the barns because it's cold and rainy. Probably going to start putting them in the barn every night since it gets starting to get in the 30s and freezing and everything. Most of the chickens have been in the hen house all day, but the ducks quack like crazy when I come out here. So all the chickens come out too. The ducks are liking it. They've been playing in their little pond over there all day. Even though it's so cold, they'll play in it until it's frozen though. I did clean out the hen house and everything. They have fresh hay in there since it's gonna get cold and be rainy, so knew it was gonna get pretty dirty in there. Let's go check on the chicks now. Here's the chicks. They're already getting way bigger, tripled in size. They're almost 2 weeks old now. But it's nice and warm in here than outside. Block their window off so none of that cold air can get in here. They're doing good though. I was gonna check each one and see which ones were the boys and girls, but I haven't done that yet. Probably will later. See how many we have. Some of them you can even tell by just looking at their wings, but the last batch of chicks that hatched out 22 eggs, there was, I think, 5 roosters out of all 21 that's thrived. So, had good luck on that one. They've been drinking this water real fast, so I already had to fill out 3 times. And then their food, they haven't ate a whole bucket of it yet, but just fed the chickens. The wind stopped for the most part, but it got a lot colder and it's misting a whole lot now with little tiny bits of ice mixed in. Most of the chickens don't mind the weather. They just they've been staying out in this pen all day and afternoon, pecking around. So just about everybody's done molting now. Just a couple of leghorns, I think, are left. Other than that, everybody's done molting. I do have a little bit of issue with the waters. It's the duck pool right there. But I have those 2 filled up. That one has it just cracked down the bottom for some reason, so that one's not gonna hold water anymore. And that one has a small hole in it, so I'm having to fill that one up every day, or more than once a day, for it to hold water. With all the rain we've been getting, it's been keeping it pretty full, but look at all this, that huge bush that is up here. It's gone in just like a week. Everything died in there. It's knocked a few of the supporting poles down. Have some chicks in there pretty soon. 2 months or so since it's winter. They'd be out there sooner, but it's not warm enough for them. So, but that does keep them pretty warm, that little hen house thing. Comes the ducks. They come swim in the pool. Egg production has been up too. I've been getting at least a dozen eggs now. So some days it's still not very good because it's getting colder and the days are a lot shorter now. So the days is what it affects them the most. So they won't lay as much since they don't have enough sunlight. Still have some ornery chickens that get out of here. Come hang out in the barn by the goats. I think they're laying down now. Nope, just in the corner. But I have had one chicken, it's a Buff Orpington, that will roost right where that cat is and lay eggs up there. It's been laying eggs up there, which I don't mind. I can just get them whenever we feed the cats. But the wild chicken with her little chick, she's been laying eggs at the barn along with another Buff Orpington. Well, I don't know what's up with them, but they're starting to lay up at that barn. Wonder if they're in the field. They've been in the field most of the day, even though it's been rainy, but they've been laying up here. Up at that barn. That one chicken with her chicks. It's hard to zoom in with gloves on, but they're up there. So she and a Buff Orpington have been laying up there in her nest, so I'm wondering if she's gonna try to sit on them when it's cold. Hope she doesn't, because they're more than likely not gonna lay. She probably won't, but she probably will in the spring when it gets warmer, like she did with her last chick, which is when the Buff Orpington laid up there and she sat on her eggs that were fertile, because we don't have a rooster that goes up there. It's about 34 degrees out now. Ducks are chilling in the pen. All the chickens went up. Gets dark really fast now. About 5:30, 5:20. These guys are doing good. Got some hens in here with Reggie now. There's some of the last ones molting. Those two. In the hen house now. See what egg production's like today. It's the coldest day, I'd say, so far this fall. And it's just gonna get colder until we get some snow, rain, and ice on Monday and Tuesday. Got all the chickens cuddled up. There's only like 4 over there that are sleeping on the ground, which they can get on the roost, but they're the ones that prefer not to, apparently. Some chickens up here. Everybody's close together. Got the big fluffy ones over there too, sleeping in the nests. Count up these eggs. Alright, so exactly a dozen eggs today. Chickens, especially right here where all the roosting bars meet. They're all cuddled up with their heads tucked behind them. I like the cold when it snows, but I don't like anything probably lower than 20. That's getting too cold. Here we have a variety of temperatures. It gets almost 110 some years, and then gets down to -10 in January. And they're saying it's going to be a lot colder and more snow this year. If we get snow next week, that's like a whole month earlier than normal. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. Make sure to share the videos with your friends, and I'll see you next time.